নমস্কার, আমি সুদীপ্তা দত্ত। সেন্ট জুডসের সাথে আমার সম্পর্ক বহু পুরনো। আজ এই ফাউন্ডার্স ডে সেলিব্রেশনে কিছু করতে পেরে, কিছু নিবেদন করতে পেরে আমি খুবই আনন্দিত। অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ আমার সব ছাত্রছাত্রীদের, যারা আমাকে এই নিবেদন জানিয়েছে। আজকে এই দিনে, এই পরিস্থিতিতে সবচেয়ে বড় আবেদন আমাদের ঈশ্বরের কাছে। তাই এই ফাউন্ডার্স ডে সেলিব্রেশনে আমি একটি ঈশ্বর আরাধনার গান, যেটি রজনীকান্ত সেনের লেখা, সেটি পরিবেশন করছি। তুমি নির্মল করো, মঙ্গল করে মলিন মর্ম মুছায়ে। তুমি নির্মল করো, মঙ্গল করে মলিন মর্ম মুছায়ে। তব পূর্ণ কিরণ দিয়ে যাক মোহ কালিমা ঘুচায়ে। মলিন মর্ম মুছায়ে। তুমি নির্মল করো, মঙ্গল করে মলিন মর্ম মুছায়ে। লক্ষ শূন্য লক্ষ বাসনা ছুটেছে গভীর ধারে। জানি না কখন ডুবে যাবে কোন অকুল গরল পাথারে। প্রভু বিশ্ব বিপদ হন্তা, তুমি দাঁড়াও রুধিয়া পন্থা। তব শ্রীচরণ তলে নিয়ে এসো মত্ত বাসনা গুছায়ে। মলিন মর্ম মুছায়ে। তুমি নির্মল করো, মঙ্গল করে মলিন মর্ম মুছায়ে। আছো অনল অনিলে, চিরলাভ নীলে, ভূধর সলিলে গহনে। আছো বিটপিলতায় জলদের গায়, শশী তারকায় তপনে। আমি নয়নে বসন বাঁধিয়া, বসে আধারে মরি গো কাঁদিয়া। তব দেখি নাই কিছু, বুঝি নাই কিছু, দাও হে দেখাই বুঝায়ে। মলিন মর্ম মুছায়ে। তুমি নির্মল করো, মঙ্গল করে মলিন মর্ম মুছায়ে। অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
What does the school want from the student? The school, from the student, wants great personality. We want that each of our children that pass through our school become great personalities in society. If tomorrow, for example, this school is to be recognized, it will only be recognized in case it produces great personality.
Children, we've come a long way from 1995 to 2020. This is supposed to be our 25th year. But very sad that we are going through this kind of a horrible time, I should say. But of course we'll come out of it strong. Next year I suppose we'll be able to have a grand celebration. Anyway, I hope my children will perform something during that time, because without you children I cannot think of having any kind of show. I would like you all to express all your good memories which you had about the school, about your teachers, about us. I'm sure we'll all enjoy. So I would rather sit back and watch you all sharing all your dreams, all your good memories which you had. All the best, children. Wish you a very happy and safe stay. Thank you.
We started with a few, but now we are many, not only in numbers, but also talents and creativity. Congratulations, dear 2009 batch, for all your efforts and accomplishments. On the completion of 25 years of meritorious service to the cause of education, today I would like to congratulate each and every person associated with St. Jude's High School. It has been a glorious journey of many achievements, and I feel proud to be a part of this journey for quite a long time. Although I have not had the chance to be part of the school in her early years, I am thankful that God has given me the opportunity to be amongst the St. Jude's High School family. Today also we celebrate the birth anniversary of our beloved sir, late Stanley Courier. St. Jude's was his dream project, and wherever he is today, I am sure he must be very happy to see his dream reach great height of success. Although it's been 7 years since I have retired from the post of principal, but even today I consider myself as a member of the vast Judean family. This has been possible only because of the love, warmth and acceptance which I received from this institution. This bond is eternal. I still remember the day I appeared for the interview for the post of school coordinator. Throughout my career, I have been a teacher, and this fact I made very clear to Shamjukta ma'am and Stanley sir that I have no experience in the field of administration. It was a bit hesitant, but both ma'am and sir had confidence in my ability, and they assured me that they would groom me to become a good administrator. Sir was a strict taskmaster, but he had a great eye for talent and capabilities, and to be very honest, I owe him a lot for bringing out the administrator in me whom I myself did not know existed. In this context, I am thankful to ma'am for her continuous support. Coming to you, my dear student, at this difficult time, it is a great gesture on your part to come together to celebrate the 25th anniversary of your alma mater. This pandemic has made us realize how important relationships are, and it's very heartening to see today's youth come together to commemorate the silver jubilee of their school in which once they have studied. You all have a very special place in my heart. School life must be memorable to you, but those days spent with you are memorable for me too. Your innocence, mischiefs, your zeal to do better, your never give up attitude has made you reach where you are today. You have made St. Jude's High School proud, and I feel proud to be your teacher. May you always see the beauty in the world and be encouraged to keep pressing on regardless of the stumbling blocks or hurdles that stand in your way. I wish you all the best with your endeavors. Stay happy, stay safe. And finally, to the present member of St. Jude's, I would like to say success comes to those who believe in themselves and prepare to win. On this joyous school anniversary, let us pray with a grateful heart. I always pray that St. Jude's reach far greater heights, and I miss the institution a lot. Thank you.
Down memory lane. This is what I would like to give the title to my video. I was asked to prepare this video on behalf of the 2009 pass out batch by Orithrik Bhattacharjee. He was the representative of their class who came to school and asked me to prepare this video. Well, memories of St. Jude's High School. I have stored up a lot of memories in my Pandora's box here. And if they start coming out, I don't think you will have the patience to listen to the whole. So I would make it a little short and just share few experiences, few memories with you all. The first person whom I met 23 years back from the Judean family was our beloved Sanjukta Korea ma'am. And she was the person who appointed me as a teacher. After that, I met our founder director, Sir Stanley Korea, sir. I joined as a class teacher of class 6, and I know that all the students of that batch are now out in the world working, creating history for themselves. But I'm still here in St. Jude's, and I've really gathered lots of lovely memories. Stanley sir's dedication, perseverance, hard work was a great inspiration for me. Sir actually molded and shaped me into what I am today. Not only in our academic field, Sir also inspired us in the co-curricular activities. And when I say co-curricular activities, St. Jude's has really done well in co-curricular activities. Over the years, we have participated in so many inter-school fests, programs, and the students have all brought back laurels to us. Well, coming back to our own school, we have our house system, which I think every student, every teacher is passionate about. Our love for house, our fight, I wouldn't say fight, our wish to establish our supremacy over each other with the different house events was a real challenge. Then we used to have our annual school sports, annual concert, again where each and every department tried to put up their best programs, dance, music, drama, all these. And we looked forward to our Founders' Day celebrations, which was a real celebration for us, from morning till we left the school. And a month or two before that, before the 6th August, we would all be busy preparing as to what we would put up for our founder director, Sir Stanley sir. We really miss those days, but still we have our inter-school programs, our inter-house programs. I have so many memories. So many students now come back to school and they come to meet me, and some of them ask me, "Ma'am, you're still working in this school?" Because many of the teachers who had taught them have left. But I am continuing, and I wish to continue as long as I can. But you know what, students? School without students is really something, it's like a barren field. And this, I'm realizing it in this situation today. I go to school every day, but I really miss all of you all. All my present students, past students, of course, past students are already out, but even the present students miss your shouting, your laughing, talking in the classes, and it seems the benches are screaming at me, saying, where are our burden? Those who used to beat on us, jump on us. Students, remember one thing, you all will always remain in our hearts. And the teachings of your schools, I think, will be memories for you all. Good times will come, bad times will come, but your memories will remember. I hope all of you all who are still in school and who are out of the school wish you all the luck in life. May you all shine like bright stars, and also keep up the name of your alma mater. Thank you, students. And I would also like to thank the 2009 batch for their endeavor to present something like this, where they have really worked hard. I'm not naming anyone, I'm just giving the batch name, because if I miss out anyone, the others will be feeling bad. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, I want to take a moment to make sure that in this stressful and demanding time, you are taking care of yourself. So I hope you all are safe and healthy. The school has completed 25 years. It sounds like a long time. I would rather say 25 golden years. I still remember coming here with a mind full of ideas and a vision to make a difference. I remember Stanley sir and Sanjukta Korea ma'am, who helped me to build the first bridges. They have taught me that true teaching is a special partnership. It only works when the teacher looks into the heart of the child and understands and respects what they see. There were times when this bridging was very difficult, but it's you students that helped me to build the first bridge. So I had a few persons who has been kind enough in saying that I have given my energy, honesty, respect and love. But I want to say that this is exactly what I have received from school, and you have given me, you students have given me. I still remember the things we achieved together, the successful plays we have put on, the end of the year concerts. We shared, of course, joys and laughter, and as well as struggles. So thank you students for your support, and also your parents who made this day arrive. Thank you Sanjukta Korea ma'am for your words of encouragement, but mostly for your sincerity and trust. So thank you once again students. You will always live in my memories, and I am proud of each and every one of you.
নমস্কার, আমি শাশ্বতী ভট্টাচার্য, সেন্ট জুডসের বাংলা শিক্ষিকা। আর সেন্ট জুডসের হাই স্কুলের 25 বছর পূর্তির মহাপুণ্য লগ্নে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের অনুরোধ আমার স্মৃতি থেকে কিছু যেন বলি। সেন্ট জুডসের স্মৃতি সম্পর্কে বলতে গিয়ে আমি গর্বিত, কৃতজ্ঞ এবং সম্মানিত বোধ করছি। সেন্ট জুডস একটি উজ্জ্বল জ্যোতিষ্কের নাম। সেন্ট জুডস একটি বিস্ময়ের নাম। সেন্ট জুডস একটি চমৎকারের নাম। সেন্ট জুডস একটি আনন্দময় পবিত্র স্থানের নাম। এই সেন্ট জুডস আমার জীবনের অনেকটা স্থান জুড়ে আছে। মনে হয় সেদিনের কথা, কিন্তু হঠাৎ চমক ভাঙল, দেখলাম সেন্ট জুডসের 25 বছর বয়স হয়ে গেল। তাই স্টুডেন্টরা যখন কিছু বলতে বলল, তখন সেন্ট জুডস সম্বন্ধে বলতে গিয়ে আমি অভিভূত ভাবাবেগে ভেসে গেলাম। বলতে ইচ্ছে করল রবীন্দ্রনাথের সেই বাণী, নবীন আগন্তুক নবযুগ তব যাত্রার পথে চেয়ে আছে উৎসুক, কি বার্তা নিয়ে মর্তে এসেছ তুমি, জীবন রঙ্গভূমি। সত্যি জীবন একটি রঙ্গভূমিই বটে। জন্মের পর, জ্ঞান হওয়ার পরে জীবনের যে রেলযাত্রা শুরু হয়, তাতে কত যাত্রী, কত স্টেশন আসে, আর কত অভিজ্ঞতা সঞ্চিত হয়। জ্ঞান হওয়ার পর শৈশবের সেই আমার রেল সফর এবং যাত্রায় একরাশ স্বপ্নের ডালি নিয়ে যাত্রা শুরু করেছিলাম। অনেক সুমধুর স্বপ্ন সার্থক হয়েছিল। আবার সেখান থেকে ঈশ্বরের নির্দেশে জীবনের রেল চলতে শুরু করেছিল। হঠাৎ রেলটি একটি স্টেশনে এসে খুব জোরে থেমে গেল একদিন। চমকিত হয়ে ঘুরে দেখলাম তার নাম সেন্ট জুডস হাই স্কুল। বিস্মিত হলাম, দেখলাম সেখানে কত দেব শিশু খেলা করছে, আর তাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছেন স্যার স্ট্যানলি কোরিয়া এবং সংযুক্তা কোরিয়া। কেন যেন মনে হলো আমি এদেরই একজন। ঈশ্বরের আদেশে ধীরে ধীরে জুডস ফ্যামিলির সদস্য হয়ে উঠলাম। শুরু হলো পথ চলা। এই দেবশিশুরা ছিল সবাই অসম্ভব প্রতিভার অধিকারী। এদের মধ্যেই খুঁজে পেলাম নিজের প্রকৃত সাফল্য, প্রকৃত ভালোবাসা, প্রকৃত আনন্দ। সব পেয়েছি, দেশে যেন পৌঁছে গেলাম এমন মনে হলো। এই দেবশিশুরা একদিন হয়ে উঠেছিল আত্মার আত্মীয়, মুখের ভাষা, প্রাণের অনুভূতি এবং হৃদয়ের স্পন্দন। এরা সবাই আজ সকলে সাফল্যের চূড়ায় অবস্থান করছে এবং এদেরই অনুরোধে আজ আমার এই কথা বলা। স্যার ম্যামের অনুপ্রেরণায় ও প্রতি মুহূর্তে তাদের অখণ্ড ভালোবাসায় জীবন ভরে উঠেছিল। মনে হয়েছিল আই এম পসিবল। কিছু ঘাত প্রতিঘাত এসেছিল, কিন্তু স্যার ম্যামের আনুকূল্যে ও ভালোবাসায় তা অফুরন্ত আনন্দ ও উদ্দীপনায় পরিণত হয়েছিল। বিশেষ করে যে স্টুডেন্টরা আমাকে কিছু বক্তব্য রাখার জন্য বলেছে, তাদের মধ্যে অরিত্রিক, সৌরদীপ, আরও অনেকে, সৃজা, এদের অনেককেই এই ছাত্রছাত্রীরাই দৃষ্টান্ত স্বরূপ হয়ে আছে। এইভাবে এদের মধ্যে দিয়েই চলতে চলতে পরবর্তী ছাত্রছাত্রীরাও যেন আমার বাবা মা স্যারের চলে যাওয়ার ক্ষতে মলম হয়ে উঠল। আবার দ্বিগুণ উৎসাহ উদ্দীপনায় স্কুলের আরও উন্নতির স্বপ্ন চোখে নিয়ে সফর চালিয়ে যাচ্ছিলাম। আজ 22 বছর হয়ে গেল। স্কুলেরও আজ 25 বছর পূর্ণ হতে চলেছে। আমি আজ অস্তায়মান সূর্য। ব্যাংক স্বরূপ ঈশ্বরের কাছে অর্থস্বরূপ যে আয়ু রেখেছি, সেই আয়ু থেকে চেক কাটতে কাটতে কবে তা বাউন্স করে যাবে তা জানি না। তবু জীবনের শেষ দিন পর্যন্ত সেন্ট জুডস আমার মনের অন্তরের অন্তঃস্থলে উজ্জ্বল জ্যোতিষ্ক হয়ে থাকবে। বলা হয় স্মৃতি সততই মধুর। তাই স্মৃতির সঙ্গে হয়তো আমিও জড়িয়ে থাকব, হয়তো থাকবো না একদিন, তবু আমি তোমাদেরই একজন হয়ে থেকে যেতে চাই। স্যার একদিন আমাদের হাতে শিক্ষার যে প্রদীপ জ্বালিয়ে দিয়েছিলেন, সেই প্রদীপ আজ 25 বছরে ছাত্রছাত্রীরা তোমাদের হাতে তুলে দিলাম আমার ব্যক্তিগত প্রদীপটি, এবং স্বপ্ন দেখতে চাই আরও উন্নতির পথে তোমরা স্কুলকে নিয়ে যাবে এবং একদিন আমাদের এই সেন্ট জুডস হাই স্কুল একটি বৃহৎ এবং নামি দামি স্কুলে পরিণত হবে। আমার যত কিছু অক্ষমতা, যত কিছু দুর্বলতা, যত কিছু ভুল, যত কিছু অপ্রাপ্তি, তা আমারই থাক। যা তোমারে দিয়েছিল সে তোমারই দান, গ্রহণ করেছে যত, ঋণী তত করেছে ও আমায়। জীবনের রেল যাত্রার শেষে ঘরে ফিরে যাওয়ার আগে তাই স্বপ্ন জাগে মনে, তবু মনে রেখো। এখানে শেষ করলাম আমার বক্তব্য।
Ranjana ma'am here, my dear students. It's really a matter of pride and honor to me to know that my old dear students still remember me, and I'll never forget those days, those pleasant days that I spent with you in St. Jude's. I remember every one of you, maybe not by name, but of course by face. I still remember every one of you. And St. Jude's has given me many things in life, especially Stanley Coria sir. My tribute to him, I still pay my homage to him. He will always remember in my heart. He'll always remain in my heart. And he was a philosopher, a guide and mentor to me. Whatever I am today is because of him, because I learnt many things from him, though I got a few bashings also from him whenever I had committed some mistakes. And Orithrik, when he rang me up, I know that was a red letter day to me, I should say. He told me that you people are going to make an album, and so you thought of me. Who can ever forget this? This was really, I should say, let me say it once more, that was really a matter of pride to me. Children, I want to speak, I want to tell so many things, but time is limited. Arithrik has told me that only a minute's time is given to every teacher, so I won't take much of your time. Today I'll just recite a poem by Charles Bukowski, because he is and I am a great fan of this famous poet, and today I'll recite The Bluebird by Charles Bukowski. There's a bluebird in my heart that wants to get out, but I'm too tough for him. I say, stay in there. I'm not going to let anybody see you. There's a bluebird in my heart that wants to get out, but I'm too clever. I only let him out at night sometimes when everybody's asleep. I say, I know that you are there, so don't be sad. Thank you.
My dear St. Jude students, after a long time you remember me through Orithrik, one of my favorite students. I heard that you all arrange a video program on the eve of 6th August, birthday of the late Stanley Coria, director of St. Jude's High School. I worked in that school long 70 years and worked with him. He is my favorite because he taught me how to teach in the class, and after that he made me discipline in charge of that school. And you all did not know one thing, that 15 days before he expired, he came to school and meet with me 15 minutes. And he told me he took all the office staff to Puri and enjoy there. But that day will never come. Students, you are doing a great thing.
Hello everyone. So when it comes to St. Jude's High School, it's a plethora of memories which comes rushing in from time to time. And so I'd just like to touch base a few of them, I guess. Sitting from sitting on Sanjita ma'am's lap and giving the exams back in 1995. I was like from the first batch of St. Jude's, and then giving the exams and being tensed, and then a cycle trip with all my buddies after the school, cricket, football, playing for Red House, and then performing as a rock band in, and then breaking the mic, and then getting howled by Molloy sir, and brilliant memories now and then, which always reminds me that the school I am from, the home that I am from. So, love you all, to all my Judeans and to all my teachers.
Hi everyone, this is Shikta Roy, one of the students of St. Jude's High School 2009 batch. So I'm really very happy and proud to know that this is the 25th year of St. Jude's High School. Summarizing my entire school life ain't that easy for me, because I have been in the school since its inception in the year 1995. So this school will always remain special. I would like to thank all my teachers for crafting a better version of me, for helping me become what I am today. And to all the Judeans, enjoy your life to the fullest, because you will not get back school life, no matter wherever you go, no matter whoever you meet, no matter how many groups you get, but school life ain't coming back to you. So thanks a lot to all the teachers again. I'm really very happy and proud to be a Judean. Thank you.
Hi, this is Srija Chakraborty, and I have been asked to film a video on the memories that I have spent in St. Jude's High School. So when I hear the name St. Jude's High School, the first thing that comes to my mind are the 12 years that I have spent there. And moreover, all the teachers, all the students, all the friends, all the seniors, juniors, everyone who came into my life and made a remarkable memory into my head. What I can say is that memories are something that makes you complete. It's your part of life, and without it you can't grow. So St. Jude's made me what I am today. So after I got qualified from St. Jude's High School and went into the new life of mine, into college, into universities, into various other educational institutions which I have been part of. So I have seen that the impact of the learnings that I had from St. Jude's has always made me what I have, presented myself to. So yes, it is a beautiful journey. I won't say it was a beautiful journey, I will say it is a beautiful journey, because it is still my part of life and I'm still a part of St. Jude's. So yes, it's a wonderful journey, and all my friends, all my teachers, everyone I'm acknowledged to. So that is all about, I can say, about, in the memories of St. Jude's. So Stanley sir, Korea ma'am, Lahiri ma'am, Aditi ma'am, Gupta ma'am, and all the other teachers whom I have not taken the name are also my life, because they have made me what I am today. So yes, that makes a total, implication towards my journey. Thank you.
This is Samvit. I'm still a Judean by heart. Loads of good memories. Konta chere konta bolbo eksathe tiffin খাওয়া, zero period এ আড্ডা, রাজদীপ্ত স্যারের ইকোনমিক্স ক্লাস, কুশল স্যারের কমার্স ক্লাস, লাহিরি ম্যামের বেঙ্গলি পিরিয়ড যেটা খুব ফেমাস ছিল। বন্ধুরা একসাথে গান বাজনা করতাম, আড্ডা মারতাম, একসাথে মারপিট করতাম, খেলতাম। সো এই মেমোরিজগুলো কোনোদিনও ভোলা যাবে না। I just wish I could rewind time and go back to my school life.
Hi everyone, This is really special as this is the 25th year of our school, and when I think of the 13 years that I have spent in this school, everything was special, whatever I can think of. Children's days were special, Teachers' Day was special, annual day functions were special, sports was special, and all the friends I have had in all these years, my teachers, each one of them, have taught me something or the other which has helped me in the entire journey till today. So, today, when I think of the days that I have spent with you all, I really feel blessed. Thank you for making my childhood special. Thank you for making my school days extremely special. Thank you, everyone.
স্কুল আমার কাছে স্কুল মানে একটু পড়াশুনো, অনেকটা খেলাধুলো এবং নির্ভেজাল আড্ডা। 12টা বছর অনেকটাই সময়। এই মেমোরিজ রয়ে যাবে সারা জীবন মনে স্মৃতি কোঠায়। 2009 ক্লাস 12 ব্যাচ, স্কুলকে নিজের সঙ্গে সঙ্গে বড় হতে দেখা এ এক অদ্ভুত প্রাপ্তি। Participating in school events all throughout the year, healthy competitions in studies, annual sports day, 15th August March past, annual function. এটা শুধু আনন্দই দেয়নি, we could all imbibe some great life qualities from here. শুধু খেলাধুলার কথা বলবো না, তাহলে হয়তো ম্যামরা আজও রেগে যাবেন। বাট সত্যি বলছি, আজ যেখানে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছি তার পেছনে একটা বড় অবদান রয়েছে মা বাবা এবং আমাদের স্যার এবং ম্যামের। তাই আজও যখন কেউ বলে আমি সেন্ট জুডসের স্টুডেন্ট, শুনলেই মনে হয় ছুটে গিয়ে একবার দেখে আসি। বাট ফিরে গিয়ে সেই চেনা পরিচিত মুখগুলো কি আর পাবো, এটাই প্রশ্ন।
This is Shreya of 2009 batch. So I joined St. Jude's in the year 1996 and I passed from St. Jude's in the year 2009. So this time phase between 1996 to 2009 was a hell of a journey. I had so many good memories that thinking about those days makes me really emotional. It was one of the best phase that anybody can have in his or her life. So it was great, and whatever I am today, I owe a big thank you. I owe a big time to all my friends, to our teachers. I love you all, and our beloved principal ma'am, Sanju ma'am, I love you. Aditi ma'am, you are my mentor. I love you. Gupta ma'am, Lahiri ma'am, Shahana ma'am, everyone, Molay sir. I don't know where everybody is now spread in this world, but you guys are really special. I think of you, I remember you, I even discuss about you guys and my friends, wherever you are, whenever you achieve something, trust me, this friend of yours always proud of you guys. So yeah, this makes me so happy to get a chance to say everybody hello, and to say thank you to all my teachers and love you to everyone.
Hi everyone. School life is the most important part of our life, and I really miss my school uniform, school bench, school teachers, and especially my school friends. Thank you all the teachers and especially Aditi ma'am for all your love and support. School memories are still the best. Thank you so much. Love you all. Thank you.
Hello everybody. I'm very happy and thankful that my children remembered me and they wanted me to say a few words on Founders Day. As a teacher who has taught them so many years back, way back to 2005, and of course as a teacher who has worked under Sir Stanley Courier. I think my words will be very small to define or to describe what Sir was. His dynamic personality, his soulful guidance, his affection, his willpower, all these have added started and grown the school from zero to what we see now as a flourishing school, St. Jude's High School of Madhya Murali. I wish we could get his guidance for many more years. But anyway, his guidance I still do not miss because I feel Ma'am is still there to guide us. And she guides us the same way as Sir had done. I remember a few things way back when I used to work in 2005 under his guidance. The way he used to guide us, the way he used to tell us what is right, how to do, when to do, what to do. And especially the children of the students whom he had groomed up. Excellent. I cannot forget that 2005 batch of class 9. I cannot forget them. Actually, I cannot say that I cannot forget them. They never let me forget them. Their high respect for the teachers, for the school, for sir, for ma'am, it is praiseworthy. I wish that I can add a little to the progress of the school as sir had dreamt of and let the school reach to excellence. Thank you.
Today I want to share my past experience when I was there in St. Jude's High School. Actually, I have joined in St. Jude's High School in the year 2003 most probably. Sir was there at that time. At that time, we have learned a lot of things under his guidance. He used to teach us how to tackle the students and how to manage the classroom, how to control the classroom by conducting different types of workshops. We went to different types of workshops also under his leadership. And then many students, when we taught many students at that particular time. Today they are working in some particular area, like some are in the IT sector, some have been well established in their life also, some are still working hard. So all my good wishes are always there with all of my students to whomever I taught. I remember some few names of of that particular time when I taught some of the students, like Aditi Datta Chaudhary. I remember him very well. Still he is in very much touch with us. Suraj Kumar Thakur, I remember one of the name. Okay, so few names, like none other names coming to my mind, but anyway, Aditi is still there with us. He is still in contact and touch with us. And I wish that all the students must stand in their own feet and do something for the society. My best wishes are always there with all of you, those who have already been established in their life, those who are studying now, for all of them. God bless you.
Hey, hi all of you. How are you guys? Okay, so you must be doing good, and I hope you all are safe in this pandemic situation. Okay, so I would like to start my message by thanking you all. I received a call yesterday. One of you called me and requested me if I can send a video to all of you, because you all are planning to do a kind of something on your Founders Day. So you are collecting all the videos from all your teachers, and so you have included me in the list. Now this is where I am thrilled. I am thrilled to see this gesture. I mean, this is unbelievable. I was telling my wife that I just taught these folks for 6 months, and that too a long time back, 15 years back, but still they have remembered me. So this is wonderful. I just can't believe this. Okay, so now let's travel back in time. Let's go back to 2005. I was just a university passed out at that time, I completed my master's, and I thought of doing higher studies. So, but there was a gap between my results and my higher studies in Delhi. So there was a gap. So I thought of utilizing that gap, and I applied for this post of teacher in St. Jude's, and I was selected. I still remember that day when Mr. Stanley Courier, he called me up and he said, can you please come down to my Park Street office, and you can collect your appointment letter. So the first day when I went to the school, when I went to St. Jude's, and I was pretty nervous. Truly speaking, I was very nervous, because that was my first job, and teaching is something like you are doing a stage show. Okay, so you have a full room of students, and everything depends how you as a teacher being accepted by the students. So the first day was very nervous for me, but later on, those 6 months really went very, very, very colorful, and I still remember the class parties and the gifts that you have given me on my farewell day. I do have some of the gifts still with me. So, my experience was wonderful. I know I still have contacts with most of you thanks to the social media. I have contacts with most of you on Facebook, and we do speak to each other, and you guys are well established now. I do find that in Facebook, and it really makes me proud. And some of you are also teachers now, so it's wonderful. When I see my students now becoming teachers, it really gives me a very good pleasure. So it's wonderful. It's again like I'm really touched that you guys have remembered me. What else? So have a nice Founders Day celebration, and stay safe in this pandemic situation, and all the best to all of you. Be a better human being. That's it. Okay, bye. I love you all.
We all make memories we might end up taking out of the closet at the end of life, sitting on a lonely armchair, sipping coffee. There are pages in everyone's notebook that we tear off but never discard. They are like the pressed, dried up rosebuds forever there. SJHS is perhaps like the canvas in my life that looks empty, but my scribbles with the broken ink lie hidden, deeply private. Students, the moments we've been together have claimed themselves to be memories in their own right. So cheers to the togetherness and wishes to the road we tread. Good luck.
Hello to all the young ladies and gentlemen who were once my students. As a teacher, I interact with lots of students and have a world of memories with my students. The first thing that comes to my mind when I think about your batch is the connection that you had with each other and with the teachers as well. I'm happy to see that you are continuing with the connections. However, it had a downside during the biology classes when Shujoy and Shoikat, they used to disturb the class with their continuous conversation. Then comes the practical days. I hope you remember that how after meticulous pre-planning we couldn't do the photosynthesis experiments well because of the rain. And do you remember the memories of catching cockroaches from the physics lab with Augustine's help? Now, I also remember the memories of the days when you cajoled for free periods and I sometimes got annoyed. And the days we celebrated Teachers' Day and Children's Day together with the organizational skill of Orithric and the group. I'm really very happy, and it's really heartening to see that you still value the memories which you had with the school and with your teachers. Wishing you all the best for your future years. Stay well and connected. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Korobi Shen, ex-teacher of St. Jude's High School. I would like to congratulate everyone on this occasion of Silver Jubilee celebration. You know, in teachers' life, students play a very important role, and I am indebted to my beloved students, without whose cooperation, love, affection and influence I would not have been a teacher. Thank you students for giving me a chance to come in front of you after so many years, and thank you for remembering me even today in this occasion. You know, I get immense pleasure when I find you successful in life, and I wish you continue to flourish for all the times to come. সবাই খুব ভালো থেকো, সবাই আনন্দে থেকো. Thank you once again.
School is making handmade cards on Founders Day. Countless drama on stage and off stage. Govindu Kakur Achar, fooling guy Damsharat's champion. Fights during inter-house contest. Shahana Mamer kache অজস্র পায়না. Mukta Amer Bokuni, annual picnic plans. Lahiri Mamer Bangla class. Momita Mam's elocution practice. Horlicks biscuits. Class party decorations. Playing truth or dare with friends. Bonna Mam crying out. Oritrik, talk softly. Exhibition afternoons. Shubhamoy sir acting out my role on Children's Day drum. Library Mamer theke Chawan Bahar. Ranjana Mam's announcements. Report card e Kakoli Mamer handwriting e Oritrik is too talkative. Student Lifetime Achievement Award. Event announcements and house captaincy. And the list goes on and on.
Inter-house dance competition, winning inter-school dance competition in Salt Lake CA, participating in every sports, and I just really want to thank each and every teachers, lovely beautiful teachers, for each and every support, and really miss aloo kabli and ice cream from the gate, library, auditorium, the school benches, the corridors, each and every corner of the school, you know, it's amazing.
Hello, my teachers and my friends. স্কুল মানে আমার কাছে মলয় স্যারের বকা, গুপ্তা ম্যামের চোখ রাঙানি, লাইব্রেরিতে গিয়ে আড্ডা, হয়তো ম্যামের ক্লাসে ফাঁকি না মারতে পারা, মৌসুমি ক্লাসে অ্যাটেন্টিভ ক্লাস করা টু ইমপ্রেস মৌসুমি ম্যাম, সুমা স্যারের সাথে ইউনো ইয়ার্কি ফাজলামো, অ্যান্ড শাহানা ম্যামের ক্লাসে আড্ডা, অ্যান্ড আই ক্যান গো অন অ্যান্ড অন দিস, স্পোর্টস রাইভেলরি, TDS competition participation, annual day participation, প্রচুর কিছু, and I had spent few of my best years in my school, so আমি flaunting, trying to be popular, so আমি এটা বলেই end করতে চাই, a big thank to all my teachers, and I love you all, and a big hug to all my friends there, and take care, bye.
বাচ্চাদের একটা সমস্যা আমি আজ অবধি বুঝতে পারলাম না, কেন তারা সকালে স্কুল যেতে চায় না। আমাদের জন্য তো স্কুল ছিল আরেকটা বাড়ির মতো, আরেকটা মজার বাড়ি। সকালে গিয়ে স্কুলে ক্লাসে সবার সাথে আড্ডা দেওয়া, তারপরে ক্লাসরুমে চারিদিকে করিডোরে ঘুরে বেড়ানো, টিচারদের সাথে ইন্টারাকশন, হাউসের হয়ে সব স্পোর্টসে পার্টিসিপেট করা, ড্রামা করা স্কুলের হয়ে, পোকেমন খেলা, তারপরে ক্রিকেট খেলা। আমাদের প্রত্যেকবার এক্সামের লাস্ট দিন ক্রিকেট খেলাটা রীতি ছিল। এরমভাবে কত যে মজার দিন কেটেছে কোনো তো ঠিক নেই তার সাথে। তো 11 বছর 4 মাস হয়ে গেল, আজ অবধি আরেকটা এরকম বাড়ি পেলাম না।
Hi everyone, Abhishek here. Hope everyone is safe and sound amid this COVID-19 outbreak. Well, school life. Well, if I speak about my school life, well, it was one of the most memorable and pleasant experience of my life. I can never forget the bunking of my classes, staying in the library. Well, the home science classes food, oh, it was delicious. The inter-school competitions, well, yeah, it was really good. The Science City competitions or Swabhumi or Salt Lake CA. Well, it was really memorable and I'll never forget those experience. Whatever small or big that I have accomplished in my life, or in fact any one of our life that accomplishment that we have done is all because of the foundation blocks that was being laid down by our beloved teachers, Aditi ma'am, Gupta ma'am, Banai ma'am, and other teachers. Well, I'll always be grateful to all of you for all your blessings and love. School life will always be, and in fact be, the best part of my life. Thank you, everyone.
Hello, this is Deepina Banerjee, an ex-student of St. Jude's High School. This year, our school is going to celebrate its 25th anniversary. It's a long journey and it has been possible for all the teachers, non-teaching staff, and of course for the students. Though I passed out in the year 2009, but the memories of those days are still vivid in my mind. My school building, classroom, laboratories, library, all were so pleasant. The relationship between the teachers and the students are very cordial. I miss my school days, my teachers, their classes, my friends, everything. I wish all the success to the school in the coming days and runs many years more. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Take me back to the Black Hills of Dakota, to the beautiful Indian country that I love. School memories have changed to moments I want to go back to. It reminds me of Lairi ma'am, Shudipta ma'am, Korobi ma'am, Shahana ma'am. First day fight with Oritrik that changed into best friendship. Rebels, আর মমিতা ম্যামের বকুনি, ইন্টার স্কুল ফেস্ট আর কনসার্টে গান, মধ্যম গ্রামের ফুচকা, ইয়াম অরিত্রিকের বানানো আলুর দম, সিটিসি বাস স্ট্যান্ড, ফার্স্ট বেঞ্চের বন্ধুত্ব, টাকিয়ার দত্তপুকুরের পিকনিক, 10 years and it still goes on. গুপ্তা ম্যামের বাড়ির আড্ডা, রবীন্দ্র জয়ন্তীর থেকে পুজো আউটিং, স্কুল মানে বন্ধু চল।
Hello everyone, this is Momita. Firstly, I want to congratulate Stanley sir and Sanju ma'am for completing 25 years and creating a milestone. There are innumerable memories attached with the school. The memories spent with my life partner and with the 11 Commerce gang. So that was a great, remarkable memories and experience with them. Mostly my memories at school are related with events because I used to take part in the events, whether you say the inter-house competition, then Teachers' Day, then Founders' Day, then inter-school competition. I remember me and Priyadarshana, we participated in inter-school competition, Hollis Whiz Kids, held at Science City Auditorium for Antakshari. That was a remarkable experience. I can never forget that. That was the first time I visited Science City Auditorium for this. And we brought prizes for school. So that was a great experience and great memory for me. And besides that, all the classes done with the teachers, Rajdipto sir, Shomoy sir, Aditi ma'am, Gupta ma'am, Lairi ma'am, Shudipta ma'am, many teachers are there. Sorry if I'm forgetting anyone's name. And if I travel 14 years back, I remember the first event which I took participation in was Ranjana ma'am's drama, narrating that drama. I remember I was a new student, but still I don't know what she saw in me and she thought I'll be apt for narrating the drama. So thanks Ranjana ma'am for that and making it a memorable time spent there. And obviously the investiture ceremony, I couldn't had a dream, means I couldn't even dream that I could be a prefect, but Gupta ma'am, I don't know, always had faith on me and she wanted me to be a prefect for St. Andrew's House. So events was a great exposure for me at school and really they are memorable. I'll still cherish those memories where I took participation in. And since it is Founders Day, how can I forget the drama, me being the only female participant, the Bengali drama. It was a complete hit. I still remember Aditi ma'am pushing me like anything for doing the drama, and Moloiser's always beautiful way of presenting every drama at school. So that was a fun experience for us. And also when we gave farewell for standard 12 and we were in standard 11, and our dance performance was a massive hit. Now these, if I keep on telling, there'll be many even stories, so only I could pick few of these. So I would like to congratulate again, and all the best wishes from me and Rishabh to our school, so that you shine on and on.
সেকেন্ড হোমের মতো। স্কুলের থেকে আমি অনেক কিছু জেনেছি, শিখেছি, নিজের অ্যাবিলিটিসগুলো বুঝতে পেরেছি। এর পেছনে পুরো ক্রেডিটটা যায় আমাদের টিচারদের। টিচাররা আমাদের অনেকভাবে হেল্প করেছে, প্রত্যেকটা স্টেপে কীভাবে এগোবো, কীভাবে আমাদের উন্নতি হবে সেইগুলোতে আমাদের প্রচণ্ড পেছনে পড়ে থাকতো। তাছাড়া বন্ধুরা তো ছিল, বন্ধুদের সাথে মজা, খুনসুটি, মারামারি সবই ছিল। তাছাড়া বিভিন্ন ইন্টার স্কুল কম্পিটিশন, ইন্টার হাউস ফেস্ট, স্পোর্টস, এক্সিবিশন, ফাউন্ডার্স ডে, এগুলো তো ছিল। তার সাথে সাথে ছিল হচ্ছে অনেক 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 ভালো লাগে সবার সাথে একটা বন্ডিং হওয়া, সে টিচারদের সাথেই হোক বা স্টুডেন্টদের সাথেই হোক। আর এই 25th অ্যানিভার্সারি অফ আওয়ার স্কুল, এই উপলক্ষে আমি সঞ্জু ম্যাম আর সঞ্জু ম্যামের পুরো টিমকে কনগ্র্যাচুলেশন জানাতে চাই। আর আই উইশ যে স্কুল অনেক অনেক বড় হোক আর অনেক উন্নতি করুক। থ্যাংক ইউ সবাইকে।
তো স্কুল মানেই আমার জন্য প্রচুর ইননিউমারেবল মেমোরিজ, গুড মেমোরিজ ক্রিয়েট হওয়া, যেখানে স্কুল মানেই আমার জন্যে রোজ বন্ধুদের সাথে দেখা হওয়া। স্কুল মানেই আমাদের ট্রাম্প কার্ড খেলা বেঞ্চের নিচে, শুভম, শুভদীপ আর আমি বেঞ্চের নিচে ক্লাস চলাকালীন আমরা ট্রাম্প কার্ড খেলতাম। স্কুল মানেই আমার জন্য রিসেস পিরিয়ডে বন্ধুদের সাথে কাগজের বল নিয়ে ক্যাচ প্র্যাকটিস করা। স্কুল মানেই সেই শেষ দিন, যেদিনকে আমরা বেরোই, 2009 ব্যাচ যখন আমরা বেরোই, তখন টিচার্সদের আমাদের শার্টের উপরে গুড উইশেস লেখা, বন্ধুদের গুড উইশেস, বড় বড় কথা লেখা, আবার দেখা হবে, কবে দেখা হবে এখনও জানি না, বাট গুড উইশেস ছিল সবার, এখনও আছে। তো স্কুল মানেই আমাদের টিচার্সদের থ্যাংক ইউ, স্কুল মানেই আমাদের বন্ধুদের থ্যাংক ইউ, যে এত গুড মেমোরিজ দিয়েছে আমাদের, এত ভালো জিনিস রাখতে দিয়েছে যেটা আমরা কোনোদিন হারাবো না। তো এটাই বলবো সব স্টুডেন্টসকে, খুব ভালো থাকো সবাই, বেস্ট অফ গুড লাক, হ্যাভ গুড হেলথ, চলো বাই।
Hello everyone, I am Poulomi Biswas, ex-student of St. Jude's High School 2009 batch. On the eve of completing 25 years, I want to thank each and every faculty as well as teachers of the school. Today, only because of them, we could be so successful in our lives. Our dear teachers have not only helped us with our academics, but also with our extracurricular activities, which at that time we didn't know could become our profession. Because of you teachers, I could be the best version of myself. Last but not the least, I want to thank you all my teachers, and I miss you a lot, and I'm very happy and proud to be a
সেন্ট জুডস মানে আমার কাছে একগুচ্ছ স্মৃতি। আই হ্যাভ বিন টু মেনি স্কুলস, অনেক স্কুলে পড়েছি, স্টিফেন্স, অরবিন্দো, বাট সেন্ট জুডস ইটস মাই সেকেন্ড হোম, এটা অস্বীকার করার কোনো জায়গা নেই। সেন্ট জুডস মানে আমার কাছে সেই সেকেন্ড বেঞ্চ, যেখানে বসে একগুচ্ছ দুষ্টুমি, একগুচ্ছ কতটা পড়াশোনা শুনেছি আমি জানি না, বাট অনেক দুষ্টুমি করেছি, অনেক অনেক। সেটা আমার বন্ধুরা যারা আমার পাশে বসতো তারা জানে, দে ক্যান ভাউচ ফর ইট। সেন্ট জুডস মানে আমার কাছে আমার ফার্স্ট লাভ এর সাথে পরিচয় আমার সেন্ট জুডসে, অ্যান্ড ফার্স্ট হার্ট ব্রেক টু। সেন্ট জুডস মানে জিরো পিরিয়ডে সেই ভীষণ মস্তি, জিরো পিরিয়ডটাকে কতটা কাজে লেগেছি জানি না, অনেক কিছু শিখেছি, টাইম ম্যানেজমেন্ট এটসেট্রা। সেন্ট জুডস মানে আমার কাছে সেন্ট অ্যান্ড্রিউস হাউস। আই হোপ এটা বলার কোনো দরকার নেই কি সেন্ট অ্যান্ড্রিউসে আমরা সব কিছুতে চ্যাম্পিয়ন ছিলাম, ক্রিকেট, ফুটবল, হোয়াট এভার ইট ইজ। উই আর দ্য চ্যাম্পিয়ন্স আনডিসপিউটেড। যদি আমি রেড পরে আছি, বাট ব্লু হাউস ইজ দ্য বেস্ট। সেন্ট জুজ মানে আমার কাছে সেই ক্যারাম চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপ, যেখানে ফার্স্ট হয়েছিলাম জীবনে, প্রথম কোনো ক্যারাম টুর্নামেন্টে ফার্স্ট হয়েছিলাম সিঙ্গলসে। সেন্ট জুজ মানে ইন্টার হাউস স্পোর্টস ক্রিকেট টুর্নামেন্টে একটা মনে রাখার মতো বিষয়, যেটা সারা জীবন আমার সাথে থাকবে, সেটা হচ্ছে 6টা বলে পরপর 5টা 6, আর আম্পায়ার ছিল সোমনাথ স্যার। না হলে একটা গন্ডগোল ডিসিশন দিয়ে ফেলেছিল, না হলে ওটা 6 বলে 6টা 6 হতো, বাট স্টিল থ্যাংক ইউ সোমনাথ স্যার। সেন্ট জুজ মানে শাহানা ম্যামের ক্লাস, শাহানা ম্যামকে ক্লাস টিচার হিসেবে পাওয়া, আই মিন ইটস অ্যান ইনক্রেডিবল অ্যাচিভমেন্ট। I never thought a class teacher could be such a good friend. I mean, Gupta ma'am, Lahiri ma'am, Aditi ma'am, কাকে ছেড়ে কাকে বলবো, I mean, কিছু বলার নেই আমার। জাস্ট তো মলয় স্যারের হাতের বকা, হ্যাঁ, মার, বন্যা ম্যামের কেয়ারিংনেস, I mean, these things don't just go away. মিউজিক সেশনস, সেন্ট জুডস আমাকে অপরচুনিটি দিয়েছিল টু গ্রো অ্যাজ আ মিউজিশিয়ান। অনেক পারফরমেন্স করেছি, ফাউন্ডার্স ডে, টিচার্স ডে। রিমেম্বার দ্য পপুলার ন্যাশনাল অ্যান্থেম অফ সেন্ট জুডস, আশায়, ওটা তো মোটামুটি একটা কাল্ট হয়ে গেছিল। যে কোনো ইভেন্ট, যে কোনো যাই থাক, আশায় হ্যাজ টু হ্যাপেন। তো সেন্ট জুডস মানে প্রিফেক্ট হওয়া, প্রিফেক্ট হয়েছিলাম ফর দ্য ফার্স্ট টাইম। টু আই গট দ্য টেস্ট অফ লিডারশিপ। সেন্ট জুডস মানে সারাদিন সবার পিছনে লেগ পুল করা। আমি আর কিছু করি না করি, সারাদিন সবার পিছনে প্রচুর লেগ পুল করেছি, সবাইকে প্রচুর জ্বালিয়েছি, there is no doubt about it. প্রচুর বদমাইশি করেছি, প্রচুর মেমোরিজ, আই মিন এভাবে তো বলা সম্ভব নয়, বাট ইয়া, ফর এভরিথিং, লাভ ইউ সেন্ট জুডস।
Hey guys, hope you all doing well. Sorry I couldn't post a video because I'm not that good at my health, but when it's about school I cannot resist myself. In short, I really want to thank you, St. Jude, because it gave me an era and we all turned out to be our own fighters. I personally want to thank all my teachers who sheltered me at my needs, and I'm very grateful to St. Jude because it gifted me the most valuable things. Those are my friends who are still a part of my way. Can't say more because nothing. Thank you guys, thank you all, thank you St. Jude's.
সেন্ট জুডস আমার স্কুল অলমোস্ট আমার দ্বিতীয় ঘরই ছিল বলতে গেলে। 8টা বছর কাটিয়েছি ওখানে, অনেক ভালো স্মৃতি মুহূর্ত আছে সেই স্কুল ঘুরে। জামশেদপুর থেকে ফেরার পরে মধ্যমগ্রামে যখন এসেছিলাম, এখানে সেরকম কোনো বন্ধু ছিল না। সেখান থেকে আমার প্রথম অনেক বন্ধু জোগাড় হয়, বন্ধু পাই। আর শুধু বন্ধু বললে ভুল হবে, অনেক মেন্টরদের পেয়েছি, অনেক ভালো ভালো মুহূর্ত পেয়েছি সেখান থেকে। আমার জীবনে অনেকখানি জুড়ে আছে সেন্ট জুডস। সেই 8 বছর এতদিন যা যেটুকুনি হতে পেরেছি, তার মধ্যে সেন্ট জুডসের অবদান অনেক আছে। ফার্স্ট সেখানে পোকেমন খেলা শুরু করেছিলাম, সবাই মিলে একটা গ্রুপে পোকেমন খেলতাম। টিচারদের ক্লাসের মাঝখানে টিচারদের কতবার বকা খেয়েছি, তাতেও সেই খেলা আটকানো যায়নি। তাছাড়া কোর্স ইভেন্টে পার্টিসিপেট করা, কুইজে পার্টিসিপেট করা, স্কুল থেকে পিকনিকে যাওয়া, এত ঘটনা আছে যেগুলো বলে শেষ করা যাবে না। এরকম শুধু আমাদেরই নয়, আরো অসংখ্য ছাত্রছাত্রী রয়েছে যাদের এরকম অসাধারণ মুহূর্ত তৈরি করার পেছনে অনেক অবদান রয়েছে সেন্ট জুডসের। আর সেই 25 বছর ধরে এটা চলে আসছে, 25 বছর হবে, আর আশা করছি যেন এই জিনিসটা চলতেই থাকে।
Hi everyone, this is Sangeeta Sutradhar, one of the students of St. Jude's High School 2009 batch. I am so happy to know that the school is going to celebrate its 25th year. I joined the school back in 2003 in class 7. I would like to thank all my teachers, Aditi ma'am, Saraswati Gupta ma'am, Lahiri ma'am, Somnath sir, Moloy sir, and many more, Shubhomoy sir, and many more such teachers who have helped me to build myself to what I am today. And once again I would like to congratulate everyone for their tireless efforts to bring up the school to what it is now. And once a Judean will always be a Judean, and I am proud to be a part of this school. Thank you.
Well, it's very hard for me to explain about the school life because whenever I think about it, I get emotional. Uh, as I remember that I was one of the most notorious boy of the school, and I used to get a lot of scolding from teachers. I used to get punishment, and at the same time, I used to get appreciation from all the teachers as well. However, if you say which moments are just close to my heart, it's very hard to explain. But all the moments are the golden moments of my life, and I still remember. Whenever I just think about it, I I simply laugh, and sometimes like I start to cry because I lived behind those moments, and I still miss my teachers and my friends. Right now, also I'm getting emotional actually.
Hey, hi everyone. This is Smita Biswas, a student of St. Jude's High School from the 2009 batch. See, if I start to tell you about my experience at the school, then I'll definitely be in shortage of words. Today I'm very glad to know that it has reached its 25th year. I have spent much of my childhood at these schools and gathered a lot of unforgettable memories. I have got great friends, and I'm also grateful to all my teachers who have helped me to become me. What am I today? I really long to get back to those days once again if possible. So my message for all the junior Judeans will be that, guys, please spend your school days with 100% of you. These days will never come back wherever you go and whatever you get. I'm really very proud to be a Judean.
This is Priyanka Tiwari, one of the Judean of St. Jude's High School of 2009 batch. Though I am not a part of St. Jude's from very beginning, I had joined St. Jude's in 2004. I want to say a big congratulations for completing 25 years, a successful 25 years St. Jude's. Whatever I am today, it is due to you only. I want to say special thanks to our teachers, Aditi ma'am, JP sir, Taposhi ma'am. Taposhi ma'am, I really miss your political science classes. And yeah, I miss my school buddies, my friends. And really I wish if I get a second chance in my life, I want to get my school days back. I want to say special thanks again to St. Jude's for nurturing our life, for nurturing my life. A special thanks. Thank you, everyone.
Hi everyone, my name is Tuhin Raj Das, an ex-Judean batch of 2009. I joined back in 2005 in my class 9th and completed my ICSE in 2007 and quit the school for my further studies and moved to a different state. But though I've not spent much time in the school, but I've really made good friends, came across such wonderful and capable teachers who taught us great lessons, who'd been friends to us, taught many good things in how to lead a life and so on. Due to time constraint, I'm not able to take all the names, but I would like to name few like Aditi ma'am, Bonna ma'am, who was my ex-principal, then principal. Maulai sir, who taught us discipline, our physics sir, Partho sir. There are many other teachers, Moshumi ma'am, who was my class teacher in biology, who was our biology teacher, Momita ma'am. Thanks to all who is, I am really fortunate to have such wonderful teachers and fortunate enough to be a student of such great teachers. I'd really like to thank the school's management who was excellent then and wonderful now, and been able to successfully run the school and provide great A-class education to the students now. I wish great luck to the school and congrats on completing 25 years. Thank you.
Hi everyone, hope all of you are keeping fine, staying safe. It's long time, it's almost 12 years I left St. Jude's, and today I'm very happy and I'm very glad that I got connected to you, and thanks to you Orithrik. getting connected to me, and I congratulate each and every member of St. Jude's completing 25 years. A very long journey. I still remember when I entered St. Jude's, I had so many problems. I had language problem, but I am thankful to Sanju ma'am who trusted in me and gave me an opportunity to serve everyone in spite of language problem. And I still remember when I entered St. Jude's, it was just of 4-5 rooms, and in front of our eyes it got affiliation, and today 25 years, a very long journey, and it's so nostalgic. Hearty congratulations to Sanju ma'am, each and every member, faculty of St. Jude's, and I came to know that St. Jude's is one of the reputed schools in Madhyamgram now, and very nice to hear that. I hope this pandemic year everyone is keeping fine, and especially Orithrik, thanks to you that you got connected to me, and I am so blessed to have children like you who still remember us. So it's a very good feeling when our students, after so many years, get connected to us. There are, I hope 25 to 26 children who are still connected to me, and it's so nostalgic. My journey in St. Jude's was, I would say, a heterogeneous mixture. I learned many things, and thanks to Sanju ma'am and sir who trusted in me in spite of my language problem, and it's children who keep us every time on toes, and we learn so many things from you. It's very nostalgic. I don't have any words to express, but then I congratulate each and every member on this 25th year of St. Jude's. May God bless everyone, and stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's Shukla Banerjee here to share a few words about her fond memories in association with St. Jude's High School. Well, it has been a long journey of 19 years of my career. It's the Silver Jubilee year of St. Jude's High School. So special thanks and tribute must go to one and only one person, the founder director, late Frank Stanley Collier sir. It is because of this person I have learned so many things in my life. The long journey in St. Jude's High School was only because of sir and his inspirations and faith on us. He has been the best mentor of my professional life. Thank you, sir, wherever you are. I believe you are listening. Your dream to make St. Jude's High School a renowned school in the society has come true. The Judeans are doing their best to glorify the name of St. Jude's. Even your alumni are still part and parcel of it. Well, so many memories are there in St. Jude's High School. My students, my colleagues, my St. George's house, the helping staffs, the sports day, the inter-house drama, dance, music, the picnics, the good conduct trips, and so many more. The list will not end. Last but not the least, I must mention one name. She is none other than our beloved Sanju ma'am, who had supported me many times, which I just can't forget. Well, all the best to all the Julians. Keep your spirit up. Do work hard with utmost dedication to bring fame and glory to St. Jude's High School. Stay safe at home, everyone, in this pandemic situation. Love you all. Thank you, everyone. And of course, a special thanks to Auritik Datta Chaudhary, the true Judean, for all your efforts. God bless you.
আজ 6th অগাস্ট 2020 সেন্ট জুড স্কুলের 25 বছর পূর্তির উৎসব। এই রজত জয়ন্তী বর্ষের আনন্দে আমার ছাত্রছাত্রীদের হৃদয়ে যে শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকাদের নিয়ে স্মৃতিচারণের শুভ উদ্যোগ এবং তা অ্যালবামে ধরে রাখার আয়োজন, তাতে আমি গর্বিত ও আনন্দিত। বিদ্যালয় হলো এক পবিত্র মন্দির ও মঙ্গলকর পীঠস্থান। আমার বিচারে ছাত্রছাত্রীরাই এই মন্দিরের বিগ্রহ, আর শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকা ও শিক্ষাকর্মীরা তাদের পুরোহিত। পৃথিবীর যা কিছু ভালো, সুন্দর, উন্নতি, বিকাশ ও বিন্যাস সব কিছুই এসেছে তাদের হাত ধরে। তাই তাদের উদ্দেশ্যে কবির কথা তুলে আমি বলি, তোমার বুকের পরে আমাদের পৃথিবীর অমোঘ সকাল, তোমার বুকের পরে আমাদের বিকেলের রক্তিম বিন্যাস, তোমার বুকের পরে আমাদের পৃথিবীর রাত, নদীর সাপিনী লতা বিলীন বিশ্বাস। সকলের মঙ্গল হোক।
আমি শকুন্তলা ম্যাম বলছি। আমার সেন্ট জুড স্কুলের যাত্রা শুরু হয়েছে 2002 সাল থেকে। এই স্কুলের আজ 25 বছর পূর্ণ হল। একসঙ্গে অনেক বছর কাটিয়েছি। কত স্মৃতি, কত আনন্দ, কত ভালোবাসা জড়িয়ে আছে আমার এই যাত্রাপথে। স্ট্যানলি স্যার নিজের হাতে আমাদের সব কিছু শিখিয়েছে এবং তার শিক্ষা অনুযায়ী আমি চলেছি। আমার মনে হয় আজকে যে এই স্কুল এত উন্নতি করেছে সেটা ওনারই অবদান এবং সঞ্জু ম্যামের পারদর্শিতা ও সবার আন্তরিক প্রচেষ্টা ছাড়া সম্ভব হতো না। স্মৃতি সততই সুখে, অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা পেয়েছি অনেক জনের কাছ থেকে, আর ছাত্রছাত্রীদের অফুরন্ত ভালোবাসা ও শ্রদ্ধা আমার আগামী দিনে চলার পথেও হলো। ঈশ্বরের কাছে প্রার্থনা করি সেন্ট জুড স্কুল দিনে দিনে আরও উন্নতি করুক। নমস্কার।
Dear students, colleagues, and all the staffs of St. Jude's High School, today I've been given an opportunity to speak about this institution where I've worked for many years, and never did I feel that it was not my home. Thank you, sir, Stanley Korea, and ma'am, Sanjukta Korea, for giving me this opportunity to work in your school, and the memories which I had in the school is going to be my lifeline forever. And last but not the least, the dear students who are really a source of inspiration, a source of emotion and love, unconditional love still which exists between the teachers and the students is there, and I am thankful to each of the students who made us proud by excelling everywhere wherever they went, and the students of future who I can see that they are going to be bright gems of this universe of this planet. So thank you once again, Orithrik. Special thanks to you for giving this opportunity to make this video, to share this video. Thank you.
Good evening, students. My name is Anamika. Today I will be sharing some important and some valuable memories, old memories in this video. It is about my first school where I joined at 1999, St. Jude's High School at Mathim Gram. It was my first job and I was very scared. I don't know how to take class. I had never done before that. I don't know how to conduct my class in that time. But I should always thankful to ma'am, Sanju ma'am, Sanjukta Korea ma'am, who has explained me, taught me how to take the class. She told me how shall I conduct the class, the way I shall teach in the class. Till now, I had a respect for her as my first authority of the school and the principal. I have seen St. Jude's from 1999 and I have lot of memories which cannot be shared in this 1 minute, 2 minute video. My colleagues are there where we used to have a valuable time in the tiffin break, in the lunch break, and especially my students. I will never forget them because still now they keep touch with me. Though I have left the school long time back, they give a respect always, give phone calls, they give my birthday wishes in my mobiles. So I'm really thankful that my beginning of my career is from the St. Jude's High School. Thank you, students, and thank you all of you.
St. Jude's High School, Madhamgram starts its journey in the year 1995, and this 2020 it's completing its 25 years. St. Jude's High School, I personally feel impulse on this school because I was closely associated with this school for a quite long time. From the very starting days, today the school grows enough. Though presently I am not working over there, but St. Jude's will keep and St. Jude's will remain every time in my mind. I personally want to convey my heartiest thanks to late director, our director, founder director Stanley sir, from whom I personally come to know a lots of work, definition of life, everything. And also I am very thankful to ma'am, my beloved Sanju ma'am, and I also want to convey my heartiest respect and thanks to the principals of St. Jude's High School. When I started this day, I remember, I never forget Rama ma'am, Bharati Joadda ma'am, Padda ma'am, Gabriel sir, Alexander sir, Munna ma'am, and the present principal Aditi ma'am. Among that, in addition to that, I never forget the students. The students whom I saw long times before, they are now all are very popular in their respective fields. Particularly few students of St. Jude's got in certain altitude that I feel proud for them. like I want to mention Oritric name, Ria Rai Choudhury, Sriya Banerjee. There are so many names comes to my mind. Actually, till date, I feels that they are young ones, very little ones. When I close my eyes, I can see that they are sitting in the benches and I'm taking their class. And also, I feel proud that I also was a part and parcel of this institution. And on this auspicious year, that is the St. Jude's completing its 25 years anniversary, I want to give my heartiest congratulations to all the staffs, teachers who are now working over there, and also the management, and also the ex-students along with the present students of St. Jude's High School.
এই প্রতিষ্ঠানের সঙ্গে যুক্ত হই 1997 জুন মাসে জন্মাষ্টমীর পরের দিন। শিক্ষকতাতে যুক্ত হবার আগে আমি গৌতম বুদ্ধর একটি বাণীকে পাথেয় করেছিলাম। ছাত্রছাত্রীদের নিজের একমাত্র সন্তানের মতো ভালোবাসতে হবে। মাঝে মাঝে মন বলতো, আমার পথ ঠিক আছে তো? আমার কাজ ছিল তাদের নিয়ে যারা মায়ের কোল থেকে স্কুল সাগরে এসে পড়ছে। প্রথম দিকে আমি হতাম সবচেয়ে বড় শত্রু, পরে আমার সঙ্গে তাদের বন্ধুত্ব হতো সবচেয়ে নিবিড়। এছাড়া খুব মজা লাগতো সপ্তর্ষি, সৌরাশিস, নবনীলদের মতো দুষ্টু দুরন্তগুলোকে বশ করতে। দীর্ঘ 20 বছরের স্মৃতির সবটাই ভালো লাগা, ভালোবাসায় মোড়া। আমার বন্ধুরা আজও আমার সহকর্মীদের কাছে পেয়েছি সখ্য, অশিক্ষক কর্মীদের কাছে পেয়েছি দিদির সম্মান, স্মরণীয় বুড়িমাসির বকুনি। আর ওরা যাদের সান্নিধ্য পেতে প্রতিদিন ঘুম থেকে ওঠা, তাদের চোখের ঝিলিক আমাকে রোমাঞ্চিত করত। প্রতিদিন তাই ছুটে গেছি প্রাণিত হতে। সেসব দিনের নানা মজার ঘটনা, দুষ্টুমির বেড়াজালে আজও আমি বন্দী। সবাইকে শুভকামনা জানাই। সুস্থ থাকো, ভালো থাকো সবাই।
Well, hello everyone. As I've come to know that this year marks the 25th anniversary of St. Jude's High School, and I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate each and everyone who are associated with the school, who are a part of the institution, especially our beloved Sanju ma'am. Congratulations once again. And I was simply overwhelmed when I heard Oritric telling me about this. And right now I'm running short of words. I really don't know how to express my emotions and feelings. I feel that words are simply not enough to express my thoughts and feelings right now. Well, thank you, Oritric, for taking such an initiative, especially in this pandemic situation. And at last I would like to congratulate each and everyone who are associated with this event, and from the core of my heart I would like to give my best wishes to all the students of St. Jude's High School. Congratulations and all the best to all of you. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you.
Hello Sanju ma'am. Hello everyone. My name is Mrs. Cicely Sunny. Firstly, I want to congratulate everyone who is and was part of this prestigious institution on its silver jubilee. It is most definitely a great achievement under the leadership of Stanley sir and Sanju ma'am. I have been a teacher at St. Jude's for about 20 years. My tenure at this school has been the most significant part of my life, and I am ever so grateful to St. Jude's who gave me this opportunity. I feel immensely proud to have been part of this great institution. There is nothing in this world that makes me happier than watching the students I taught achieve their goals in life. I thank St. Jude's for that. I wish St. Jude's achieves and grows in leaps and bounds to become the best school to graduate from. I'm a Judean forever, Thank you.
Mrs. Kalyani. I remember once Sanjukta ma'am asked me to leave an application. After a couple of days, she called me and asked me to join. It was an absolute privilege working with Sanjukta ma'am. I had an amazing time working with my colleagues and my students who loved and supported me.
ম্যামের থেকে আমরা অনেক কিছু শিখেছি।
ম্যামের জন্যই আমরা অনেক আজকে এখানে
ম্যামের জন্য আমরা আজকে এখানে আছি।
আমাদের ম্যাম সুস্থ থাকুক।
আমাদের ম্যাম সুস্থ থাকুক, ভালো থাকুক।